Today we will discuss the dates and more details about Neil Pickup's next Arm Wars events. Then we will see what happened in the rematch between Larry Wheels and Rahul Panikar. And Chan Shaw is also going to be there in Dubai. And finally, we will discuss a little poll or survey that I did on my YouTube channel and on a couple of Facebook groups. Welcome Arm Wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Neil Pickup has announced his next Arm Wars event that will be held in either late January or early February next year. It may not be a mega event like the October one, but things are definitely going to get exciting. Neil Pickup will be uploading the videos of the October Arm Wars event and all the upcoming events on a separate YouTube channel that he is going to create for this purpose only. The reason, according to Neil, for creating a new YouTube channel and not uploading on the previous Arm Wars channel that already has a great subscriber base is that the videos on that previous channel are not monetized. Maybe because he sold the rights to the videos or something along that line. But I'm still confused after hearing that from Neil. Neil, if you're watching this video, maybe you can and you should clear this out further. You have said that you own that channel, Arm Wars channel. So why can't you just monetize the new videos and leave the old videos like they are? And if this is inevitable, then you should make a channel at least 2 months before that and get it monetized first because it takes time. Anyways, the big Arm Wars event next year will be in UK, very similar to this one, and by similar I mean at next year's Arnold Classic Festival from September 23rd to September 25th. So there will be at least 2 Arm Wars events next year and possibly more than that. And I'm sure Neil has already started his matchmaking in his mind. Can't wait to see more of Arm Wars. So next up is Larry Wheels versus Rahul Panikar, the rematch. When Larry Wheels posted their first match on 3rd January 2021, it went completely viral because Rahul Panikar defeated Larry Wheels in that match by a score of 3-2 as far as I remember. But Larry was still able to get the match in a hook a couple of times, the rounds that he won. Although it was just a friendly match, just like the latest one that they posted yesterday, but the news that a 70 kg Indian guy defeated 130 kg strongest bodybuilder slash powerlifter in the world, that news broke the internet. It was covered by Times of India, Hindustan Times, India Times, Sports India Show, Times Now, everywhere. One news channel started following the other and the trend continued. But what happened now? Larry had too much cupping strength to completely negate Rahul's pronation. Larry has definitely improved his cupping strength, that is for sure. Another plus sign in Larry's progression. And he was allowing Rahul to start in an advantageous position in both these matches actually. But that has kind of become Larry's habit already. Because he has almost always been the strongest person in the room in powerlifting, in his gym. And I'm afraid he's acting the same way in arm wrestling too, even against guys that are actually stronger than him. So you can always see him never fighting for position and never initiating in practice like Suhail always does. I think Larry needs to learn to bully these Dubai guys in the setup. I mean seriously, not just after the go, but during setup as well. And Chan Shaw is also going to be in Dubai in a couple of weeks time. So it would be great to see Larry train with a top roller like Chan Shaw. Awesome footage is coming up, man. And finally, let's get to the polls that I did yesterday. The question was, have you ever arm wrestled in a tournament? Basically any class. And the options were not yet, yes, but not place top 3 and place top 3. I just wanted to know how many were interested or are interested in competing. So I didn't ask for first place finishes, neither did I specify novice, amateur or pro class. So over 935 votes and a whooping 70% have never competed. To be honest, I was not at all surprised to see that number. And in fact, I expected it to be even more. So I was confident about it. That's why I always say that the sport never grows with just players alone. Fans make it big actually. And I can bet that this number is going to grow in next few years. And when it goes over 90% or even 95%, then this sport can become mainstream. 10% have just competed and 20% have finished in the top 3. I did the same poll on Facebook groups and the results were quite different over there. No surprise, because these groups are kind of in the dark still. So fans who love the sport way too much than YouTube fans, they are the one who's there. So only they voted, and people can see your name and your profile picture when you vote. So not many people chose to answer for obvious reasons. Here are the results on arm wrestling discussion. 80 people have finished top 3, 56 never competed yet, and 35 competed but not placed top 3. In arm wrestling Engin group, 51 placed top 3, 10 not competed, only 5 competed but didn't finish top 3. So as you can see, completely different stats here. So the biggest and most trustworthy poll I think is the YouTube poll. And again, I truly believe when this number is above 95%, then this sport will be huge. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.